How to go Instagram live. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to go to Instagram live and share it with your followers? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your Instagram app, then go to the plus icon in the top left, and once you tap on it, you will see various sections here. You need to swipe to the left, and then you need to go to the live section at the end. You can see share with followers option at the top. Tap on it and you can choose whether to share it with your followers or just your close friends, or you just want to practice. And if you want to practice, you can set it to that it will not be shared with anyone, and then you can tap on the circle, and then you need to make sure that you have a public account with 1,000 or more followers to be able to create live videos. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.